Hello students, welcome to the class. Today we will read lesson number 3 of class 9th, The Little Girl, written by Catherine Mansfield. Let's see the theme of the story. The main theme of the story is the relationship between parents and their children. Also, the writer Catherine Mansfield wants to tell us that children share a very deep bond of love with their parents. Though in their early age, children do not feel that their parents love and care for them because they are strict to them. Many of their parents' actions seems unfair. बच्चों को लगता है कि उनके पेरेंट्स के एक्शन है वो अनफेयर हैं. But when they grow up, they realize that all the actions of their parents were for their well-being, for their betterment. जितने भी एक्शंस उनके पेरेंट्स के हैं वो उनके ही बेटरमेंट के लिए हैं. The parents were concerned for them, and beneath the strictness lies a heart full of love for their children. This bond of love and affection between parents and their children has been highlighted through this story. Now see the summary of the lesson or gist of the story. The story of this chapter is about the relationship between a strict father and his daughter. Initially, the father is shown as very hardworking and a strict disciplinarian. He shows his anger when his daughter puts an obstacle in his work unknowingly. अगर गलती से भी वो बच्ची अगर उसके काम में कोई परेशानी डाल देती है, कोई ऑब्स्टकल कर देती है, तो वो अपनी डॉटर को बहुत ही गुस्सा करता है. शी ऑलवेज वॉन्टेड टू अवॉइड मीटिंग हिम, बट हाउएवर in the end of the story, the girl's perception is changed for her father. When her mother is hospitalized and she is care taken by her father with love and sympathy. Finally, in the end, the girl changed her feeling for her father. Once, when her mother was hospitalized and she was taken care by her father. Finally, the girl realized that her father was lovable and had a big heart. Now see the explanation of the story. केजिया's opinion about her father initially. शुरू में केजिया अपने फादर के बारे में क्या सोचती है? Initially, the little girl केजिया was afraid of her father. Her father was a figure of to be feared for her. She always wanted to avoid meeting him. She felt relief when her father went out of the house. Presence of her father made her uncomfortable as she used to stammer in front of him, whereas with others she used to talk normally. He appeared so big and hard to Kezia that she would compare him with a giant. Grandmother encouraged her to talk with parents. Kezia's grandmother wanted that Kezia should talk to her parents more and more. Therefore, on Sunday afternoon, she would send her to the drawing room to talk to them, where they would be relaxing. The little girl always found that mother was reading and father stretched out on the sofa, his handkerchief on his face, his feet on cushions, and sleeping soundly and snoring. A birthday present made by Kezia for her father. One day, when Kezia had a cold and did not go to school, her grandmother suggested her to make a pincushion with her own hand as a birthday gift for her father, whose birthday was next week. So, laboriously, Kezia stitched a cushion but did not find the scraps to fill it with. She was searching the material to stuff. Then she found some fine papers kept on her parents' bedroom table. She filled it by tearing these papers into small pieces. केजिया है वो कुशन को स्टिच कर लेती है, बट शी डिड नॉट फाइंड द स्क्रैप टू फिल द कुशन. सो शी वॉज सर्चिंग द मटेरियल टू फिल the cushion, and finally she find some fine paper on the table of their parents. So she filled the cushion by tearing these papers into small pieces. Hue and cry in the house. What happened? At that night there was a lot of shouting in the house because her father got very angry when he could not find the papers on which he had written the important speech to be given to the Port Authority next day. His father did not find his important paper on which he had written a speech, so he was very angry. He was shouting in the house. Horrible scene for Kezia. There was a terrible scene for the Kezia. When Kezia told to her mother that unknowingly she had torn the papers, her mother became so furious that she dragged her to her father in drawing room. Her father shouted on her and left her in shadowed room. She was crying too much. Her father came into the room with a ruler in her hand to punish her. She terrified and screamed, but her father hit the palm on her hand with the ruler. वो बहुत चिल्लाई और डर गई. She terrified, वह डर गई, and screamed और चिल्लाई, but her father hit the palm on her hand. बट उसके फादर ने उसकी पाम पर, उसकी हथेली पर हिट कर दिया विद अ रूलर, उस रूलर से, उस स्केल से. He didn't want to harm the child, but he wanted to teach the child not to touch the things which are not belong to us. Really, the father did not want to beat the child, did not want to harm the child, but he wanted to teach the child not to touch the things which are not belong to her. कि जो चीज़ें उससे बिलोंग्स नहीं हैं, उसके मतलब की नहीं है, उनको नहीं टच करना है. ये उसके फादर उसको सिखाना चाहते थे. दैट्स वाई ही हिट ऑन हर पाम. ग्रैंड मदर पेसिफाई द चाइल्ड. शी वॉज वीपिंग कंटिन्यूली. वो लगातार रोए जा रही थी. देन ग्रैंड मदर रैप्ड हर इन अ शॉल एंड पैटेड हर. शी वॉज ट्राइंग टू पुट हर टू स्लीप एंड केजिया क्लंग टू हर ग्रैंडमदर. वो अपनी ग्रैंडमदर से चिपक गई. शी वॉज थिंकिंग वेरी बैड फॉर हर फादर. शी वॉज हार्ट ब्रोकन एज हर फादर डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड हर. सो शी सेड दैट गॉड शुड नॉट हैव मेड फादर. कि भगवान को पापा बनाने ही नहीं चाहिए, इतना बुरा उसको लग रहा था. शी वॉज थिंकिंग वेरी बैड फॉर हर फादर. Her opinion about sorts of father, different kinds of father. At next door lived MacDonald's family. They had 5 children. One evening the girl saw through the gap of the fencing her neighbor, Mr. MacDonald, playing happily with their children in the courtyard. She felt jealous to see them. उसने देखा कि उसका जो नेबर मिस्टर मैकडोनल्ड है, ही वॉज प्लेइंग विद द चिल्ड्रन वेरी हैप्पीली. सो शी फेल्ट जेलस टू सी देम एंड रियलाइज दैट ऑल फादर्स आर नॉट द सेम. कि सभी पापा एक जैसे नहीं होते. केजियाज मदर इज हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड. वन डे केजियाज मदर फेल इल and she was hospitalized. Her grandmother also had to go to accompany her. Then the girl was left alone in the house with Alice the cook. But at night she was taken care by her father at home with love and sympathy. Kezia feels comfort to snuggle her father. At that night, Kezia had a frightful nightmare. बहुत ही फ्राइटन, बहुत ही ड्रेडफुल नाइटमेयर उसको आया. A frightful nightmare of a butcher with a knife and a rope. She woke up crying to find her father standing there. Her father took Kezia to his own bedroom to comfort her, and he slept off as he was tired. वो बच्ची को अपने पास अपने बेड पे ले गया और वहाँ पे सो गया बिकॉज ही वॉज टायर्ड. वहाँ पे उसने बच्ची को बहुत ही कंफर्ट दिया. हर फादर slept before her as he was tired. A funny feeling of understanding came to her mind, and suddenly Kezia realized that her father was lovable and had a big heart. Now the opinion of Kezia changed for her father. उसे रियलाइज हुआ कि her father is also a lovable person. He had also a big heart, but he worked too hard, so he tired, and that's why he is so hard, and beneath his hardness there is a heart full of love and sympathy. Thank you.